What's up, y'all? It's Phil, and it's time for another update. So this project is going to be pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about it because it is a very large custom entertainment center. I'm doing a lot of these built-ins lately, which is really cool because that's kind of what I'm transitioning my business into. But what's been exciting is that a lot of my clients lately have been deciding to forego the white on white and white and have been going with a couple of different colors and a couple of different variations on things, which I think is awesome. I like a little bit of variation, and on this particular one it's going to be kind of nice because we started off with just all white and changed it to white with a little bit of like natural wood accents, and now I'm here on install day and we've decided that we're going to go with a charcoal, so like a really dark, almost black, for the main piece, and then the shelves and the countertop are still going to be just a natural finish with polyurethane. So I'm excited about that because that's going to be some really awesome color contrast and make for a stunningly beautiful piece. This one is also going to be fully integrated, so I am going to be cutting into the crown molding, removing it, and then putting it back. So that's going to be a bit of a challenge, as it always is, but I'm up for the task. I've already got all my supplies and everything ready to go, and I'm in a little bit of a crunch because I'm doing this project while starting another project next week and finishing up my current project. So there's a lot going on, and it's kind of crazy. So this might be kind of a quick update, so go ahead and start the montage. for day 3. This thing is already fully installed, caulked, and ready for paint. My painter's got to get out there, and in the meantime, I've got to go back and build all of the shelves and get the doors and stuff started so that I can get all that stuff installed. Alright y'all, I am done. This project turned out amazing and I'm super excited about it. The client chose a nice dark, like cracked pepper or something like that was the color, which is just an amazing color from Sherwin-Williams. It's a really dark gray, beautiful tone. I just absolutely loved it, especially in contrast with the brushed brass handles and the natural colored wood top that we left for the countertop and all of the adjustable shelving. This project gave me a little bit of grief because my painter actually got sick right after doing this one, and I am behind on a couple other projects, which meant it took me like a week to do these doors. And the day I delivered and installed them, I damaged every single one of them in transport. I'm not sure how. I think the humidity affected the way that the paint started to cure, but one way or another, I failed miserably, and it took me a long time to get this thing actually finished up at the client's house. And it's like a 40-minute drive from my shop, so that was not ideal. But other than that, I am very happy with this one and I'm very proud of it. It looks phenomenal. The doors and everything are lined up perfectly, the drawers are lined up perfectly, everything just looks amazing, and it really didn't take me that long. It's just that I'm piggybacking this one and leapfrogging on 2 other projects at the same time, and so that's why it's taken me forever. Pieces like this are awesome because they are absolutely a statement piece. It is such a contrast to everything else in the room. It looks so freaking good. I love it. And so it's something that is going to be all over my Instagram long before this video is even edited and ready to go. And I'm just excited about it. So you might check it out on the Instagram and you might see it again when I actually post this video. In fact, that may be what brought you here. I love when clients make these kind of choices, and when she made a last minute choice to say, hey, we're not going with white and natural, we want to keep like the real natural color with no wood stain, and we want to go with like something dark, something maybe gray. And I was like, dude, let's do that. That's gonna be amazing. So I was really excited that she actually went for it. Her husband super loved it, and like they both are just super ecstatic about it, super excited. So I think you guys are gonna like it. We'll show you these beauty shots here in just a moment. But in the meantime, check me out on Instagram, check me out on Facebook. Both of those places I love to feature people, especially on Instagram. I've had a big influx of people showing me things that they've completed from my projects or from my tips and tricks. So please send those in to me, shoot me a DM. I'm definitely happy to talk with you guys, and I love seeing your projects, especially if it's one that I recommended that you do. I would also love to see some of your custom built-ins just like mine, or anything else you're working on in general. So find me on social, and if you're looking for some of the products that you may have seen me using in this video, check out my Amazon store. The link is below. It's basically just a storefront on Amazon that kind of pulls all my affiliate links together so that you can see the projects that I did, some of the products that I use, some of the tools that I use, and some of the things that I recommend. I've got a lot on there that I really recommend that you guys use, or things that I just want in general. Some of the things I already have in the shop, some of the things I really want to get in my shop, but check it out and go ahead and buy from there. All the money from that supports this channel and this channel only. So go ahead and do that if you want to support this channel and help me grow a little bit. Now that all that crap's out of the way, check these out. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye!